Could the answer to Alzheimer's disease be hiding in our spice rack? Imagine if the solution to one of the most devastating neurological conditions was right under our noses, in the very herbs we use to flavor our meals. Researchers at the Scripps Research Institute believe so. They have been delving deep into the properties of common kitchen herbs, uncovering secrets that could change the future of medical science. They have discovered that a compound found in rosemary and sage, called carnosic acid, could potentially reverse this debilitating disease. This compound, which is naturally occurring, has shown promise in protecting brain cells from damage and even promoting their repair. This groundbreaking research offers new hope for millions suffering from Alzheimer's and their families. Imagine the joy and relief of families who could see their loved ones regain their memories and cognitive functions. This discovery is particularly exciting because it comes from a natural source. Unlike synthetic drugs, which often come with a host of side effects, carnosic acid is derived from herbs that have been used safely for centuries. Rosemary and sage are common herbs used in cooking worldwide. They are staples in many culinary traditions, known not just for their flavor, but also for their health benefits. Their potential to combat a disease as complex as Alzheimer's is remarkable. The idea that something so familiar and accessible could hold the key to such a significant medical breakthrough is both humbling and inspiring. This finding underscores the power of nature in providing solutions to some of our most challenging medical problems. It reminds us that sometimes the answers we seek are not in the high-tech labs or the latest pharmaceuticals, but in the natural world around us. The journey from the kitchen to the lab has never been more exciting, and the potential benefits for humanity are immense. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurological disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. It is a condition that not only impacts the individual, but also places a significant emotional and financial burden on families and healthcare systems. This debilitating disease slowly destroys memory and thinking skills, making it increasingly difficult for those affected to perform even the simplest daily tasks. As the disease progresses, individuals may struggle to recognize loved ones, communicate effectively, or remember important details about their lives. Alzheimer's is characterized by the buildup of amyloid plaques and tau tangles in the brain. These toxic proteins accumulate over time, leading to the death of brain cells and the shrinking of brain tissue. The presence of these plaques and tangles is a hallmark of the disease and a key target for researchers seeking to develop effective treatments. These abnormalities disrupt communication between nerve cells or neurons, leading to cognitive decline. As neurons become damaged and die, the brain's ability to process and transmit information is severely compromised. This disruption in neural communication is what ultimately leads to the symptoms of Alzheimer's, such as memory loss, confusion, and changes in behavior. The Scripps Research Institute team, led by Professor Stuart Lipton, has been at the forefront of studying the potential of natural compounds in fighting neurodegenerative diseases. Their innovative research aims to uncover new ways to prevent, slow down, or even reverse the progression of Alzheimer's. One of their key focuses has been on carnosic acid, a compound found in rosemary. Known for its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, carnosic acid has shown promise in protecting brain cells from damage and reducing inflammation, which are critical factors in the development and progression of Alzheimer's. Their research revealed that carnosic acid could target these hallmarks of Alzheimer's, potentially offering a new avenue for treatment. By reducing the buildup of amyloid plaques and tau tangles, carnosic acid may help preserve cognitive function and improve the quality of life for those affected by this devastating disease. The ongoing studies at the Scripps Research Institute continue to shed light on the potential of natural compounds in the fight against Alzheimer's, offering hope for a future where this condition can be effectively managed or even cured. Carnosic acid is a naturally occurring compound found in the leaves of rosemary and sage. It belongs to a class of compounds called diterpenes, known for their diverse biological activities. Previous studies have shown that carnosic acid exhibits strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage DNA and other cell structures. This protective effect is particularly important in the brain, which is highly susceptible to oxidative stress. The researchers at Scripps didn't stop at identifying carnosic acid's potential. They developed a derivative of carnosic acid called diAcCA, specifically designed to target the brain more effectively. diAcCA is a prodrug, meaning it is inactive until it enters the body. Once in the brain, diAcCA is activated by inflammatory processes associated with Alzheimer's disease. This targeted activation is crucial because it minimizes potential side effects on other organs. Section 5. Promising results. The mice studies. The team tested diAcCA on mice bred to develop Alzheimer's-like symptoms. The results were incredibly promising. The mice treated with diAcCA showed significant improvements in their cognitive function. The treated mice performed better in memory and learning tests compared to the untreated mice. Furthermore, analysis of their brain tissue revealed a reduction in amyloid plaques and tau tangles. diAcCA effectively reversed some of the hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease in these mice. Section 6. A glimmer of hope. Accelerated clinical trials. The exciting part is that Carnosic acid is already FDA approved as a food additive. This means that clinical trials for diAcCA could begin much sooner than for a completely new drug. Clinical trials are crucial to determine the safety and effectiveness of diAcCA in humans. Researchers are hopeful that the positive findings from the mice studies will translate to humans, potentially leading to a breakthrough treatment for Alzheimer's disease. Section 7. Targeted action. Reduced risks. One of the most remarkable aspects of diAcCA is its targeted action. It is activated only in the presence of inflammation, which is a key feature of Alzheimer's disease. This selective activation minimizes the risk of side effects on other organs. Many existing drugs have widespread effects throughout the body, leading to unwanted side effects. diAcCA's targeted approach offers a safer and potentially more effective way to treat Alzheimer's disease. Section 8. Incorporating rosemary and sage into your life. While we await the results of clinical trials, there's no harm in adding more rosemary and sage to your diet. These herbs have been used for centuries in various cultures for their potential health benefits and culinary versatility. These herbs are delicious and versatile, adding flavor to a variety of dishes. Rosemary, with its pine-like aroma, can elevate the taste of your meals, while sage, with its slightly peppery flavor, can add a unique twist. You can use rosemary to season roasted vegetables, meats, and soups. Imagine a tray of golden brown roasted potatoes, their crispy edges infused with the fragrant essence of rosemary. Or a hearty soup, where a sprig of rosemary adds depth and warmth. Sage is a great addition to pasta sauces, stuffing, and even cocktails. Picture a rich, creamy pasta sauce where sage leaves impart a subtle earthiness. Or a festive stuffing, where sage's robust flavor complements the savory ingredients. And don't forget cocktails. A sage garnish can transform a simple drink into a sophisticated experience. However, it's important to note that simply consuming these herbs may not have the same effect as clinical-grade extracts or supplements. Moderation is key, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Incorporating rosemary and sage into your meals can be a delightful way to explore new flavors and potentially benefit from their traditional uses. So why not start today? Experiment with these herbs in your cooking and discover the myriad ways they can enhance your culinary creations. Section 9. A brighter future for Alzheimer's patients. The discovery of diAcCA's potential to reverse Alzheimer's disease is a beacon of hope for millions of patients and their families. While more research is needed, the initial findings are incredibly encouraging. This research highlights the importance of exploring natural sources for potential treatments. If diAcCA proves successful in clinical trials, it could revolutionize the way we approach Alzheimer's treatment, offering a safer and more effective way to combat this devastating